Hey guys, so I just got back from flying my Gecko, and I wanted to update you guys on a small personal project that I've been working on. So, I designed my custom frame, and basically a while back, when I was building up the Gecko, I was kind of annoyed about a few things. First of all, the battery straps, they always keep falling out on me, and second of all, mounting a separate receiver and VTX is kind of a little bit annoying on this guy. So that's why I designed my own frame. And basically my frame addresses all these issues. It has a 20 by 20 stack in front, or if you really wanted to, you could put a 25 by 25 whoop board with an adapter that I'm going to custom design. And it has enough space in the back for either receiver or VTX, depending on which one you want, and it's pretty clear how to mount something in the top plate. So yeah, basically the only reason why I haven't built these guys up is because I made a few mistakes. First of all, on both the tall and the short version, or slammed and regular version, the camera connector kind of hits the stack when I tilt it all the way back, so that's an issue. And that was really an issue of me not simulating enough stacks. And yeah, and the other issue is that this is really bendy carbon. That's because I kind of ordered the wrong carbon in the wrong orientation, because carbon kind of does have a bit of a directional strength. And yeah, basically I redesigned it recently and sent it out to get cut. And we'll see about that later. And otherwise, till next time then, guys. Whoa, kind of got caught up in the monologue there, but there's two things I've got to say. First of all, this frame will be open source, or it will be available for public download after I'm finished with it. And second of all, I'd really like to give a special thanks to a handful of folks who volunteered to do a build on this frame and test it out as soon as I get a pre-release version done. So yeah, I guess that's all.